In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable email notifications on Trello. Whether you're looking to stay on top of every update or reduce the clutter in your inbox, adjusting your email notification settings in Trello can make your experience much more manageable. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, open up your preferred browser and type in Trello.com. This will take you to Trello's homepage where you can manage your boards and explore all the features. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button on the top right corner. Click on it, which will direct you to the login page. Here you have a couple of options to access your account. Trello allows you to log in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can conveniently use your Google account. Choose the method that suits you best and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello boards. Now, take a moment to locate your workspaces on the left-hand side of the page. This is where all your Trello boards are organized. Click on Your Workspaces to access the board you want to adjust notifications for. Once you're in your desired Trello board, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account icon there. Go ahead and click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is the gateway to customizing your account preferences, including your email notifications. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section labeled Email Notifications. Here you can decide how frequently you wish to receive updates from Trello in your inbox. Click on Frequency to reveal your options. Trello gives you a few choices for controlling your notification flow. If you prefer not to receive any emails at all, you can set the frequency to never. This option is great if you prefer to rely on in-app notifications or check Trello manually. If you wish to stay updated but without constant interruptions, you might consider selecting periodically. With this option, you'll receive email summaries that provide a snapshot of activity over a set period. It's a balanced way to keep track of things without frequent alerts. Finally, for those who need to be notified about every change as it happens, the instantly setting is perfect. This ensures you receive an email alert at the moment activity occurs, keeping you in the loop right away. And that's it, you've now learned how to tailor your email notifications on Trello to best fit your needs. Customizing these settings not only helps manage your inbox better, but also enhances your overall productivity with Trello. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.